After logging in, look for the tension or sensation. Digestive clash. Coffee contains up to 26 locked-in choices. 0.5. The crucial link between your diet and joint health. When you experience joint pain, stiffness, or swelling, it is natural to blame aging, a past sports injury, or the changing weather. While those factors certainly play a role, one of the most significant and controllable variables in joint health is often sitting right on your dinner plate. What you eat has a profound, daily impact on how your joints feel, function, and age. The connection between your diet and your joints comes down to one primary mechanism: inflammation. While acute inflammation is a healthy, natural response your body uses to heal a cut or fight a virus, chronic, low-grade inflammation is a destructive force. Over time, this simmering biological fire can degrade cartilage, the protective cushioning between your bones, irritate the synovium, the lining of your joints, and contribute to conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Understanding how certain foods fuel this fire and how other foods extinguish it empowers you to make small, sustainable nutrition changes that can dramatically improve your daily comfort and long-term mobility. The dietary culprits. What fuels joint degeneration? To protect your joints, it is essential to identify the foods that actively promote an inflammatory response in the body. When you consume highly processed foods, you are often ingesting compounds that your immune system recognizes as foreign or damaging, triggering an inflammatory cascade. Highly processed foods and refined carbohydrates processed foods, think packaged snacks, baked goods, and fast food, are typically stripped of their natural fiber and nutrients. They are heavily laden with refined carbohydrates and added sugars. When you consume high amounts of sugar, your blood glucose spikes. This prompts your body to release inflammatory messengers called cytokines. Furthermore, excess sugar in the bloodstream binds to proteins and fats, creating harmful molecules known as advanced glycation end products, AGEs. AGEs damage proteins in your body, including the collagen and elastin that make up your joint cartilage, making it stiff and brittle over time. Saturated fats and trans fats. A diet high in saturated fats, found heavily in red meat, full-fat dairy, and processed meats like bacon and sausages, can trigger adipose, fat, tissue inflammation. This inflammation does not stay localized. It travels systemically through your bloodstream to your joints. Worse still are trans fats, often labeled as partially hydrogenated oils. Though largely banned in many countries, they still sneak into some processed foods. Trans fats are notorious for lowering good HDL cholesterol while raising systemic inflammation markers like C-reactive protein, CRP, directly worsening joint pain. The omega-6 imbalance. Omega-6 fatty acids, found in vegetable oils like corn, soybean, and sunflower oil, are essential for health. However, the modern Western diet contains a staggering overabundance of them. When your ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids heavily favors omega-6, your body leans into a pro-inflammatory state. These oils are ubiquitous in restaurant cooking and packaged foods, making them a hidden driver of joint discomfort. The protectors. Foods that cool inflammation. Just as certain foods promote joint degeneration, a strategic, nutrient-dense diet can actively suppress inflammation, promote tissue repair, and protect your cartilage. The Mediterranean diet is often held up